This is Guru Focus Market Today, your afternoon market brief for Tuesday, July 21. Here's where things stand. U.S. stocks rebounded sharply as semiconductor shares led the rally, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbing nearly 400 points and the S&P 500 snapping a three-day losing streak. Chip makers were the session's primary drivers, with notable gains from Advanced Micro Devices and Nebius. The surge in technology stocks helped offset recent market weakness and renewed investor optimism in the sector.
Turning now to the legal battle in the pharmaceutical industry. Novo Nordisk has filed a lawsuit against Eli Lilly, alleging false and misleading advertising related to GLP-1 weight loss drugs. This move intensifies the already fierce competition in the obesity treatment market, as both companies vie for dominance in this rapidly growing sector. Meanwhile, General Motors reported strong second-quarter earnings of $3.9 billion, raised its full-year outlook, and announced increased shareholder payouts. Shares of GM jumped nearly 5% on the news. The automaker also confirmed it will bring back gas-powered Cadillac models, including the XT6 SUV, as it slows the rollout of new electric vehicles for both Cadillac and Chevrolet.
This next story is about the artificial intelligence sector, where Advanced Micro Devices launched its first rack-scale AI system, Helios, with Microsoft as a key customer. The announcement intensifies competition with NVIDIA in the AI infrastructure market and underscores the growing demand for advanced computing solutions. Also making news today, Nebius stock surged as much as 19% after NVIDIA disclosed a 9.3% stake in the AI cloud company. The move sparked increased hedge fund interest and contributed to the broader momentum in technology shares. Now, let's turn to the ongoing U.S.-Iran conflict, which is impacting global markets. Energy, defense, and transportation sectors are experiencing heightened volatility as the U.S. administration escalates military actions. Despite the conflict, global oil demand remains subdued, with major buyers like China reducing imports and the International Energy Agency closely monitoring market stability. Staying with the technology sector, Google announced the expansion of its Gemini AI lineup, introducing new Gemini 3.6 Flash and cybersecurity-focused models. The company also outlined plans for Gemini 3.5 Pro and Gemini 4, aiming to strengthen its position in the competitive generative AI market. Additionally, Google is adapting its search business as AI-driven tools alter how users access information, with an emphasis on the quality of AI-generated search clicks.
Another story we're watching is the Anthropic copyright settlement, where the AI company agreed to pay $1.5 billion to authors and publishers. The settlement resolves allegations of using pirated books to train its Claude chatbot, and marks one of the largest copyright recoveries in the industry. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs has launched a new private markets platform designed to help wealthy investors access pre-IPO opportunities in high-profile private companies, including SpaceX and Stripe. Turning to international trade, the U.S. government is considering sanctions against Chinese AI firms accused of building open-source models using stolen intellectual property. This potential move would further escalate technology tensions between the two countries.
Finally, J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon has warned that risks of a shock to both stock and bond markets are rising. Dimon stated he would not personally buy long-term bonds at current levels, citing increased uncertainty in the financial landscape. That wraps up today's market update. We'll be back soon with the latest market news. Thanks for listening to the Guru Focus Brief.